this is my 1979 Camaro. So I think the right thing to do is, well, give it to my mom.
It's gorgeous.
Bought it out in California, drove it all the way back. We lost a cylinder somewhere in Texas and had to make it the last 1,600 miles home on 7 cylinders. Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, backbreaker 3000. But all that's repaired, she's up and running. So my mom saw it. She thought it was pretty cool. Thought it was really pretty. So I think the right thing to do is, well, give it to my mom. But we gotta get it ready for that. Whew. Cleanup is definitely on the list. Yeah. This seat's kind of falling apart. We gotta fix that. Wiper switch, gotta fix that. That's loose, gotta fix that. I made those window switches, gotta fix that. And then it needs a big old clean out. Also gotta make sure it's not leaking fuel, because that's been an issue. You know, hop in, bud? Dog and I adventured to the Bronson Caves in this thing a bunch. All right, let's see if it'll start. Give it a pump, set the choke. Here we go, it's nothing. Wanted to. Been a minute though. Oh! It's been a couple weeks since I started this thing, right, bud? All right. You can see how much further that seat is leaning back than this seat. Well, that's because it's actually falling apart. Bubba's like these Camaros, and they're big fellers, so they kind of break these seats. If you're out shopping for a Camaro for yourself or your mom, just check that front seat. Oh, while I was out in California, I pulled this seat out. I didn't have a welder, so I just screwed a bunch of angle brackets and stuff to try to fix it. It lasted about 5 minutes. Come on, get out of there. Gone forever. This is all broken. It's broken here. It's broken here. It's broken here. And it's broken here. You know, when Bubba gets in there and sits and rocks around and reaches for his big gulp, you know, the metal just keeps twisting and twisting. I kind of watch the whole thingamajiggy move. Like the other side's moving. I'm gonna guess at where this used to be. We're gonna weld it back together. Ouch. Dog's back for some company. She took my spot, but I'll give it to her any day of the week. She's so great. All right. Dog loves this Camaro. All right, it's time to start welding this stuff back together. It is most certainly going to catch fire. Perfect. All right. Hopefully this won't burst into flames here in a minute. Foam has a way of holding on to heat, and hopefully it'll be mo better. Well, it's slightly better than it was. I guess improvement is all relative to your starting point. It seems a little better. I mean, it's still kind of like a recliner, but I think it's as good as we're gonna make it, right, pal? Unless we buy some new seats. Dog and I did the best we could with these carpets, but Bezos sent me these floor mats, so we'll see how that goes. Oh, dang. All right, that'll do. Are we the Rockefellers? Look at that. Here we go. We're just going to the driveway. Jeez. No wonder these things always rust out right here. Gee, golly whiz. Mo better. Some of you fellers that go all the way back to the road trip, this headliner was driving you bananas. I just ordered these doohickeys, which are things that I would not have bought for myself, but you know, it'll make it mo better for my mom. So they go in here and seem to hold the headliner, but I want to try to pull it taut. And it does have sticky what's-its on there, I guess, to hold everything in place, because there's only one screw, I guess. So I'm gonna do the right thing and use my vast upholstery skills and Gorilla Tape. It'll work if you let it. It's definitely more better over here than over there. So we're gonna repeat the process and we're gonna be as good as we're gonna get, I think. It's way, way better, you know? Just didn't have the $100 to spend on it. Still don't, but it's done, you know? All right. Delivery day. Checked all the fluids, everything seems good. Unfortunately, the rain spoiled our fancy washing job, but hey, that's all right. Well, we made it. Car did great. I expected it to, but you never know. Sometimes they revolt if they think something weird's going on. Anyway, let's go find Mom's.
What?
Should be fun. It did great over here.
Oh God, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Look at you. Oh my goodness.
You go for a ride?
Oh yes. Oh, for sure. Let me look for 1 second. Come on, boys.
There you go.
Love the sound.
That's like normal.
Okay.
Remember to push the button down, shift.
Oh my gosh, yes.
There you go.
You have to push down a little bit.
We can put it doesn't have.
I'm gonna love it.
We can put exhaust on it if it's too loud. I have the kit. I just didn't get around to it, so we'll do that at some point. First drive. Anyway, that's a success. I'm going to talk her through all the small points, but
thank you.
All right, gang. While my mom was absolutely a willing participant in that video, you can only exploit your mother so much on the YouTubes. So we did the right thing. We shut the cameras down and we went out to lunch. I gave her a Camaro. She picked up the check. It all works out. My mom's been my #1 advocate my whole life. She's been super supportive of everything that I've done or gotten myself into, including the car hobby, where she's donated her garage for decades at a time, really. So I appreciate that very much. It's fun to see her driving the Camaro and digging it, and I'm happy it's in a good home. So yeah, feel a little like Elvis when you give a car away, you know? All right, until next time, good luck on your projects out there. We will see you next time on Between the Sharks.